Thank you for participating the Science in Japan Forum.
And welcome to JSPS 2012 Forum.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Before we begin our session, I'd like to give a quick address as is custom.
I want to start with a story because everything we do is about a story. We tell stories that challenge and critique, what our relationships are to the United States as Indigenous people.
Heritage Park was first being cleared in 1951. Kanakamali, or Native Hawaiian bulldozer operator, came across a giant boulder, or what's called a pohaku.
The paper I present today is a part of my dissertation which seeks to understand the ways in which a group of disability allies, parents, students, teachers, and women organizers have all worked together to create Lototomafai School.
The afternoon session is entitled Identity in Three Dimensions, Past, Present, and Future Implications.
For a long time, Japanese archaeology has been interested in the central parts of Japan and had not been mentioned to the northern and southern culture.
Identity is how we define ourselves as individuals. In essence, it is who we are. But it is also who we are as part of a group or a particular culture. Identity is based on a set of characteristics, personal choices. It is the fabric.
The Inupiat people of Arctic Alaska call themselves the people of the whales. Bullhead whales weigh approximately 1 ton per foot and can live up to 200 years. They are one of the healthiest creatures on the surface of the earth.
So the DNA profile, that's a common paternity test, sometimes known as a DNA fingerprint, used in criminal cases to, so for example, to tie bodily fluids found at a crime scene to either an alleged perpetrator or a victim.
In this session, we will examine the Ainu of Japan from the points of view of genetics, policy, indigenous movement, and representation. Self-identified is only about 25,000 in Hokkaido, but many also live in Tokyo and other cities.
This is John skeletal remains excavated at Usumoshiri site in Hokkaido. As a result, DNA analysis have recently become powerful tools in human evolutionary studies.
The Diet demanded that the government should recognize the Ainu as an indigenous people inhabiting the northern part of the Japanese islands, especially Hokkaido, with a unique language as well as religious and cultural distinctiveness.
日本では新たなアイヌ政策の在り方と国民的な理解に向けて具体的な検討が行われています。これまで報告にありましたように、アイヌが日本の先住民族であるという意識を高めております。
Thank you very much.
Thank you all very much.